Hi guys, welcome ulit, and for this video, let's try to solve two different problems. A sample problem pa din sa Newton's Law of Motion. Unahin natin itong isa. Two people are engaged in a tug of war with a rope. If a person A exerts a force of 200 Newton to the right and the person B exerts a force of 180 Newton to the left, what is the net force on the rope and in which direction does it act? So, yung tug of war, alam natin yung hilahan ng tali, may dalawang grupo maghihilahan ng tali. In this case, dalawang tao, si person A, nag-exert daw ng 200 Newton na force, samantalang si person B naman, nag-exert ng 180 Newton na force. Magkaibang direction, of course, si 200 Newton, yung person A, papunta sa right, papunta naman sa left, si person B, yung 180 Newton. Ang tinatanong sa atin kung ano yung net force ng rope and saan papunta o anong direction papunta yung rope. So to find the net force on the rope, we calculate the difference between the forces exerted by the person A and person B. Since person A exerts a force of 200 Newton to the right, positive yon, and person B exerts 180 Newton to the left, ibig sabihin magiging negative 180 Newton yon. So yung net force, tandaan natin, ang net force is the summation of all the forces acting on a body. So yung body sinasabi natin, yung rope yon. So ang tanong sa atin, ano yung net force or yung total force na nare-receive ni rope, and then or yung resultant force na nare-receive ni rope, and at the same time papunta saan yung tali. So net force equals F1 plus F2. Yun yung net force, summation talaga, It is just that force is a vector quantity. Kung vector quantity, merong magnitude, merong direction. So, i-consider natin si direction. So, net force now equals F1 plus negative F2. Okay, ang F1 natin yung 200 Newton, ang F2 natin yung 180 Newton. So, net force is now equal to 200 Newton to the right minus 180 Newton yung papunta sa left. So, 200 Newton minus 180 Newton equals 20 Newton. Since positive ang nakuha natin, ang direction natin is papunta sa right. Kung naging negative ang result natin, negative 20 Newton, say for example, ganun ang nakuha natin, yung force, wala namang negative na force. Yung negative sign, nag-i-indicate ng direction. So, kapag nag-negative siya, alam natin na to the left siya. But since positive ang nakuha natin, ang net force ng rope is 20 Newton, ang direction is papunta sa right. Okay? The net force on the rope is 20 Newton and it acts to the right. Okay, proceed tayo sa next problem natin. Sa pangalawang problem, a child is pulling a sled with a mass of 15 kg across a horizontal surface with a constant force of 60 Newton. If the frictional force opposing the motion is 20 Newton, what is the acceleration of the sled? Ang hinahanap sa atin acceleration. And to find acceleration of the sled, we can use Newton's second law of motion, which states that the net force, or F net, equals mass times the acceleration, where F net, or the net force, is the net, or F net is the net force acting on the sled, M is the mass of the sled, and A is the acceleration. Pero bago yon, kasi wala pa tayong given na net force. So, kukunin muna natin yung net force. Una, sa problem, ano-ano ba yung different forces na nag-a-act dun sa sled? Una, yung horizontal, yung paghila ng bata. Una, yung paghila ng bata with a constant force of 60 Newton. Yun yung F1 natin, yung unang force natin. Pangalawa, may frictional force na nag-o-oppose dun sa motion. And that is 20 Newton. So, kapag kukunin natin, again, yung net force, that is summation of the forces, no? All the forces acting on the body, pero i-consider natin yung direction. So, we calculate first the net force. The child exerts a force of 60 Newton, but there is a frictional force of 20 Newton opposing the motion. So, ang net force natin is 60 Newton minus 20 Newton kasi opposing siya. So, 60 minus 20 is 40 Newton. Meron na tayo ngayong value ng net force. Ano po? Now, using Newton's second law, balikan natin, we can solve now the acceleration. By formula transformation or transposition, yung F net equals mass times acceleration, i-isolate lang natin si A sa isang side ng equation kasi siya yung hinahanap natin. So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin both sides by M or the mass. Ang matitira na lang, kasi maka-cancel out dito sa kabila, yung mass. So, A now is equal to F net over M. And substituting the values now, we have 40 Newton for the net force over 15 kilograms ang mass. So, 40 Newton divided by or over 15 kilograms, that is approximately equal to 2.67 meter per second squared. So, the acceleration of the sled is approximately 2.67 meter per second squared. Ayan, I hope nagets nyo and may natutunan kayo sa video ito. See you sa mga susunod nating video.